Data in use protection can help defend your active files from virtual threats. In this video, we'll show you how to enable it with BestCrypt Data Shelter. Data in use is especially vulnerable because it's often unencrypted and actively being accessed or edited. BestCrypt Data Shelter offers a powerful solution by restricting access to sensitive folders only to authorized users and trusted programs, helping you proactively defend against ransomware and data leaks. To get started, open BestCrypt Data Shelter. Click on the Add folder. Select the folder you want to protect and click OK. In the Create or Assign Policy section, select Update or Create New Policy manually, then click Next. You can now rename the policy if needed. In the Allowed Users section, choose whether to allow access for all users or select specific ones. In the Allowed Programs section, choose whether to allow all programs or only selected ones. You will now see two additional options that you may choose to enable, depending on your security needs. Select all the related processes must be signed or protected by WRPS to allow only trusted digitally signed applications to access protected folders. Select Do not allow processes to copy files from a protected folder to block copying actions and prevent data leaks. Click OK to apply the policy. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled data in use protection with BestCrypt Data Shelter. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.